guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be playing around with this gorgeous, stunning palette by Tati Beauty, Volume 1. I created this eye look right here using this palette, and I also created 2 different looks for you guys, so that way we were able to play around with as much colors as possible. Before we jump into the tutorial, I want to let you guys know that I'm doing a giveaway in this video. It is long overdue. That is for hitting 20K. So if you guys want to go ahead and enter the giveaway, make sure that you read the description down below. All the details of how to enter the giveaway is in the description down below. So without further ado, if you guys want to go ahead and see how to create this look right here and 2 additional looks using the Tati Beauty by Tati Westbrook, Volume 1, then please keep watching. Okay, so this is how the package looks like when you receive it in the mail. When you just slide it, you will have the actual palette and you have the Tati Beauty in gold. I know my handprints are all over it. It's also matte, and the logo is in this metallic gold. I did some swatches of the glitter shades and they swatched so smooth and so beautiful and so pigmented. So I figured it'd be fun to create a look going straight down the row, the column. Am I the only one that gets confused what's a column and what's a row? Obviously you can mix and match the colors and it would look beautiful, but I just thought it would be fun to go straight down the row. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's see how many looks we can do in this video using as much colors as possible. Let's go ahead and do Soothe. And so starting at the bottom, the matte shade, which is supposed to be the transition shade, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of that and just start applying that on my crease. Let's talk about a little bit about Tati herself as a person, as a YouTuber. I came across her channel. I know she's been on YouTube for a while, but I discovered her channel, I would say about a little over 2 years ago. And I'm like, wow, just the way she is as a person, what she stands for, the way she carries herself. She really does her own thing, sticks to what she believes in is right. And it's just good to have somebody like that on YouTube that really sticks to what they believe in and doesn't let whatever change them. She's just one of those rare YouTubers. I don't know, I just look up to her. She's so sophisticated, so classy. If I want to like clean my room or do laundry and I just want to watch something, I would just put her on. She's the only one that I would want to put her on and hear her voice for hours and hours and I wouldn't be annoyed. Her voice is just so soothing. She's different, but in a good way. And she's not intimidated that she's different. I hope that makes sense. Anyways, next I'm gonna grab this sequin shade and I'm gonna focus that on the outer portion of my eye. I'm then gonna grab the metallic shade and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all over my lid. Wow, this is so pigmented. This is so pretty. I'm gonna grab a little bit more of the sequin and then just blend it into the metallic shade that I had just applied. It's not taking me that long at all to blend these colors together. I'm now gonna go into the glitter shade. So I'm just gonna use my finger. I know when I swatched it on my Instagram, I literally dipped in there for a second and it's so pigmented. So we're just gonna pop that in the center. I'm gonna go back in with the matte shade and then just try to avoid the glitter, but blend everything out right around here. Actually, that wasn't a good idea. So once you apply the glitter, you kind of want that to be the last thing that you do because the glitter will go everywhere, which is normal. I'm just gonna add a little bit more and kind of just blend it with my finger so that glitter is not going everywhere. I didn't use any glitter glue adhesive or anything like that. It just stuck on like that beautifully. If you do put that glitter everywhere by accident, you can just grab like a spoolie and just brush it out with your spoolie. So this is the eye look using that entire row. I definitely feel like it would look nicer if we added some dark brown or black in the outer corner and then a lighter shade in the brow bone, a little bit in the inner corner. But I just wanted to show you guys, if you wanted to just go down the row, this is how all those colors in that row looks like. So now I'm gonna grab a little bit of the Aura, the matte shade, and then just put that on my brow bone. These matte shades are so pretty. I'm gonna grab Aura and put that in the inner corner. I'm gonna grab the sequin shade in the column Aura and then just put that in the inner corner to pop up a little bit more. Now I think it's so pretty if I either put brown or black in the outer corner, but I'm gonna go into the ritual column and grab a little bit of the brown matte and place that in the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm gonna go into the soothe column and then just smoke out my lower lash line. Oh my God, I had black in this brush and there's black everywhere. I should have cleaned my brushes. I did a Halloween look and I haven't cleaned my brushes since that look, so OMG. There's a little bit black, but let's disregard that. All right guys, my lower lash line was not supposed to be as dark as it was, but there was black in my brush and I did not notice, so this is why it's a little darker. All right, we're gonna pop in some mascara and lashes to finish off this eye look. I'm having pumpkin spice, no, not pumpkin spice, heck no. I'm having the Nitro Cold Brew Pumpkin Sweet Cream. Damn, that's a handful. And I usually hate anything related to pumpkin. I hate pumpkin pie. I tried the pumpkin spice latte because everybody seems to be loving it. So I'm like, let me see what the hype is about and try it. I tried it a couple of years ago. It was my first and last time ever trying it. Never liked it. And then they came out with the Nitro Cold Brew, and I love the Nitro Cold Brew Sweet Cream with 3 pumps of vanilla. It would be bomb if you guys have not tried that yet. So I'm like, okay, I really like the Nitro Cold Brew, the original, and they came out with the pumpkin. I'm like, let me try it and see. And it was actually very, very good. All right guys, so here we have the first eye look all done using mainly the Soothe column, but we also mixed and matched a few other colors, and this is the final look. I'm gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer for this eye, and I really have no idea what I wanna do. I almost wanna do either the Story column or the Poet. Oh my God, I might do Poet. I might do Poet. All right, so we're gonna start with the matte shade and just do the same idea. Just blend that into the crease. And then whatever is left over, without dipping my brush back in there, I'm just gonna be feathering that out. I'm gonna grab a small blending brush with the same matte shade and then just deepen it up right here in the outer corner. I'm just grabbing a bigger blending brush and then just diffusing that shade in the outer corner of my eye. All right, this shade I am so into. It's so unique and special. It's the sequin shade in that row. I really need to look up what is a row and what is a column before I'm like repeating that word over and over again and I'm saying it wrong. Row, no, row is a row. It should be like that. Column should be like this, right? We're gonna Google this. Am I right or am I right? Oh shit, I was so wrong. Are you kidding? So a row goes horizontally and a column goes vertically. Wow, okay guys, math 101. So I am going to be grabbing the sequin shade in that column, this beautiful shade. Let me swatch it for you guys. Oh my God, they feel so buttery and smooth. It's like a wet, glittery look. I'm gonna use it with my fingers. So pretty. It has like a holographic, shimmery, light blue with purple. That is such a unique, pretty shade. I'm gonna grab a small blending brush and then just focus that where my fingers are hard to reach. Just pat it right here. I almost don't want to add glitter on top of this look. I'm gonna go back in with a blending brush with nothing on and just diffuse that line. I'm gonna go into the metallic shade and put that in the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna go back in with the matte shade and then just draw it underneath my lower lash line. Look at how pigmented that is. I'm just gonna grab a small blending brush and diffuse that line. Hopefully there's no black in this brush. I'm just gonna grab the matte shade and darken it up a little bit more in the outer corner. I'm gonna go in with the Aura column and grab the sequin shade in that and just put that in the inner corner, just like I did with the other eye. I'm also gonna brush it underneath my brow bone. I do wanna use the glitter in that column, so I'm gonna grab a little bit of that and put that in the inner corner of my lower lash line. Just right here for a little pop of glitter. I'm just gonna put a little bit of lash glue on. I'm not gonna secure it all the way because I'm literally gonna take it out like in 2 seconds to create another look. So I'm just gonna pop this lash on very quickly. And there we have the pink eye all completed.
Walking downtown and I'm okay.
Alright, so that was a quick tutorial doing 2 different looks so you guys get to see as much colors as possible. So we're going to go ahead and take the eye makeup off and create the final look. I still don't know what I want to create using the final look, but I'll definitely be using colors I haven't used before. I'm really into the ritual column. It's screaming my name, those browns and that gold. So we might be doing that, but I also really want to play around with story. So let's go ahead and see what we can create for the final look. Okay, so I ended up just taking my entire face makeup off. I probably should have not done my face prior to this video since I was doing many looks, but that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm gonna start with priming my eyes. I'm using my MAC paint pot and soft ochre to just prime my lids. I am starting with the shade Story Matte, and I'm using this orange shade to start blending that into my crease. I'm using a little bit at a time to blow out my crease with this shade. And then I am grabbing a little bit more and focusing that on the outer corner to deepen up the outer corner with this shade. What I love about these is you can use these shades, the mattes in here, as a transition shade and use a light hand, or you can use a little bit more product and really intensify that color more. I'm then going to go into Ritual, the sequin shade, and put that in the outer corner and the inner corner of my eyelid. We're kind of doing a halo look, but it's more going to be smoked out. I'm then just going to grab my fingers and I'm going to go into the metallic shade in Ritual and place that in the center of my eyes. To blend that line from where we place these shadows, I'm going to go into Soothe, the matte shade, and then just put that in the crease and blend out everything that we had applied on our eyelids so that there's no harsh lines. I'm then going to grab just a little bit of the Memory Matte, the black shade, and focusing that on the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm going to be mixing it in with the Ritual matte shade and blowing that out even more. So I'm adding a little bit at a time and then going back into the brown, smoke that out even more. The black is mainly going to be in my outer corner, mainly on my lid area, and then I'm using the brown shade to smoke that out further. And I'm starting a little bit at a time and building that up till I get it to the darkness that I want. I'm gonna go back into Story, the matte shade, and then just blow out that wing shadow even more so we have that orangey shade peeking through. I'm then gonna go into Aura, into the metallic shade, and applying that on my brow bone for a highlight. Once we have all the shadows in place, I'm just gonna go back into the lid shades and just deepening that up a little bit more so it could be a little bit more pigmented with all that blending. We obviously have to use some glitter, so I feel like for this look, Story glitter would look so beautiful. So I'm going to be placing that in the inner corner of my eye, almost like an inner highlight, but except it's going to be an inner glitter highlight. I'm just grabbing some wipes now and cleaning up anything that might have fallen into my eyelids, which by the way, there wasn't that many fallouts at all. And I'm also gonna be sharpening out my eye. A little trick when you're dealing with glitter, if you want the glitter to be a little bit more precise, or if you have glitter on your face and you wanna take it away, just grab a makeup remover that's oil-based. I was using the Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover. It's like an oilier base. That would make it easier to remove the glitter versus using some wipes or just a regular makeup remover that's not oil-based. Alright guys, so this is the completed look right here. I did my face separate because I didn't want this video to be too long, but I did film it for you guys for my Instagram. So if you guys want to go ahead and see what I have on my face, then be sure to follow me on Instagram. But this is the final eye look right here. I have nothing bad to say about this palette. I mean, Tati frickin' Westbrook created this palette. What do we expect? Nothing but the best, to be honest. I don't think I can compare it with anything that I have where the eyeshadow feels this pigmented and luxurious and buttery and smooth. It feels like a frickin' $200 palette, to be honest. It's definitely gonna be my go-to. I love it. I can use every single eyeshadow on there in my everyday to glam to natural, all of that kind of good stuff. Let me know which look was your favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll definitely be creating much more looks using this palette. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys enter the giveaway. All the details are in the description down below. And before I let you guys go, if you guys are new to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and the bell notification button right next to the subscribe button. I feel like I'm stuttering. And the bell notification button right next to this. I'm talking too fast. And the bell notification button right next to this. Why can't I talk? And the bell notification button right next to the subscribe button. And the bell notification button right next to the. Are you? All right, let's take it slow. And the bell notification button right next to the subscribe. I clearly can't talk, so I'm just gonna let you guys go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.